Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable or disable one-handed keyboard on this device. Simply go to settings, tap on the option general, scroll down. So here you can see the option keyboard, tap on this one. Now here you can see one-handed keyboard, tap on this one. Now this is disabled and you can set one-handed keyboard to left side or right side of your device. If you want to set the one-handed keyboard for left side, select this one. Then open a keyboard. So now I am going to open message application and open keyboard. Now you can see the keyboard is set to left side. So if you want to set the keyboard to right side, then select the option right and open your keyboard. Now you can see it is set to right side. If you want to disable, then you can select the option off, otherwise open your keyboard and here you can see one arrow, tap on this one. Now you can see it is disabled. So simply in this way we can enable or disable the one-handed keyboard on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.